Transport for London (TfL) is considering the implementation of an intelligent road user pricing system, a pay-as-you-drive model. The proposed system involves advanced monitoring technology that tracks when and where a vehicle enters and exits a predetermined zone. It deducts a cost from a pre-registered, prepaid account based on the distance traveled and possibly the type of vehicle, with more polluting ones incurring higher costs. This approach aims to incentivize the use of sustainable modes of transport and aligns with the ambitious goal of London's mayor to have walking, cycling, or public transport account for 80% of journeys in Greater London by 2041. The intelligent road user pricing system, akin to toll road payment systems in France, is part of a multifaceted strategy to optimize the limited road space in London. Other cities, such as Birmingham, are also exploring variations of the time-place-distance model. The proposal may become part of a broader national road pricing scheme, possibly replacing the revenue losses from fuel duty and vehicle excise duty (VED) as more people transition to electric cars. While some toll roads in the UK cost around £1.50 each way, the current congestion charge in London is £15 per day, rising to £17.50 if not paid immediately. The implementation of pay-per-mile models is still under discussion and hasn't been rolled out anywhere in the UK. The potential impact on businesses, as well as overall feasibility, remains to be seen. The motivation behind such a system is the need for the Treasury to replace some or all of the £25 billion it receives in fuel duty revenues, especially as more people switch to electric vehicles. The article suggests that road pricing may be a necessary solution for the Treasury to compensate for the £25 billion in fuel duty revenue losses, particularly given the increasing shift to electric vehicles. However, the success of road pricing systems in the UK will depend on the effectiveness of their implementation and public support.